Bah Mayborn lengdo no ai ketin ka fastom ula pynphai nia kylla Bah Prestone tansong. Halor ka jing kano jung u baka jing ïakhih jung ki bandawa kyntiew tulop kadon shalandat. Haba ai jing kran hakmat ki parano hikai haka jaka syong klaj mungor bat submit kabadon syadin ka sekretariat. Bah Mayborn ula pynphai nia da kabaong baka jing ïakhih jung ki kamdon benta barka kam saiñ pyrthei Henry kidawa bej tang ban kyntiew ka tulop. Dangshan Bah Prestone tansong ulaong baka jing ïakhih ikinuhikai kadon shalandat. Wat haba ula kular baka sarkar kan sapan bej no ka jindawa hakawipat ka cabinet meeting. Henry kinuhikai kimtre banaj phaying.
We have come to a conclusion that our protest will continue. We will sit here and wait until the next cabinet meeting of the government. Now, with regards to, I also have a few answers to give to the government. The answer number one is this, that yesterday when we saw the news, we saw that Bah Prestone has said that maybe there is a hidden agenda, that the teachers are still sitting here even after the assurance that was being given by the government. So I guess the reason why all of you are saying that we should sit here and wait, the hidden agenda is very clear, Bah Prestone. I will talk to you very clearly. The hidden agenda that we have is this. It is very open. We just want our enhancement and the increment that we demanded from you. That is it. That is the only hidden agenda that we have. It is open. This agenda is open since 2019, and the reason why we are still sitting here is because we kept waiting for promises after promises after promises after promises and after promises. So based on that, yesterday, I will be very honest, yesterday I went home after I met Bah Prestone. He said, please go home, take a good night's sleep and rest. So I went home. Personally, I went home. I tried to sleep well on the bed. However, I could not sleep. The reason why I could not sleep is I kept thinking about the teachers that are here, and I kept thinking about what if? What if? So based on that, with all due respect to the government, we respect you, and this is not a political issue. See, when you say it is a political issue, I will also be very blunt. Why maybe you think it is a political issue? Because some of the leaders of the TMC were here. So yesterday there was this news that after they took the statement from Bah Prestone, they shift the story to a part where I was talking to Bah George from TMC. So let me be very clear, I have also talked to all the people who came here. I have talked to the people who I have never seen in my life. I've talked to the people who came from every nook and corner. There are more than 30 groups of people who have come forward to help us. How can that be a political issue? And it's not just the TMC have come, the BJP has also come, Bah ïakhih has come, Bah ïakhih is also from the government. Then Bharat Adelbad has also come. He belongs to the KNAM. So how can you say that this is a political issue? Now let me come to the people that we also want to meet. So today morning we also met with Bah Sampliang. And Bah Sampliang is also one who has been very vocal about the issues of the teachers. So he came in support, not as a politician, but he came in support as a person with a heart and a soul.